everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are good and safe. Welcome back to today's session. In this session, we are going to see about the letter combinations. We are going to see about letter combinations. Before moving to the session, I would like to explain about what is the phonic. Is the connection between the letter and the sound. The connection between the letter and the sound is called phonics. What is a digraph? Very good. When the two letters together present a single sound is called digraph. So here also we have the letter combinations. The digraph is letter A and Y. Letter A present as sound. Letter Y present U sound. When the letters together meet, it present A sound. Here I am giving some examples. And letter A present as sound. Letter I present E sound. When the letters meet together, it present A sound. So there is no more difference between the A. Okay, see, look at this one. Here we have the letters A and Y. Here we have the letters A and I. It presents the sound A. This is also present the sound A. Okay, do you understand what I am coming to say? Look at the letters. Letters A and Y together present A sound. Letters A and I also together present A sound. Okay, here I am with some examples. I will explain with examples. Look at the words. What word is this? Is day. 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 Here we have SA sound. These two letters together present single sound. Day. Pay. Pay. And the next one, gay. The sound of letter G is G. Gate. Okay. And this one, ray. Got my point, my dear children? Yes. Day. Pay. Gay. Ray. Okay. Here we have the S. Y present A sound. And come to next one, letters A and I also present A sound. Okay. Because of this vowel A sound. See the examples. Wait. W-A-I-T. The sound of letter W is it. Wait. Got my point? Wait. And the next one, bail. Bail. Okay? Bail. And the next one, give it, paint. Okay, you come to know the difference between and the similarity. So because of this letter, one need to present the sound wait, bail, paint, pay, day, gay, ray. Similarly, you make more words. Then only you come to know the spelling and where we have to put the as a digraph, how to pronounce the word. Make more words on yourself. Okay. And the next one. The combinations ER, UR, IR. ER, UR, IR. Letter E present SE sound. Letter R present R sound. Letter U present A sound. Vowel. Letter R present IR sound. Letter I present A is very good. E sound. India, ink, igloo. Letter R present IR sound. See here, the letter E and R together present L sound. L silent. Mixer, grinder, ladder. Okay, parker. And the next one, U R present R sound. Okay, fun, turn. And the next one, letter I R, ear sound. So say the sounds again. Ya, E. Okay, Ya, E. But when we apply the sounds for words and sentences, we come to know the difference. Most probably it presents all these three sounds present the similar pronunciation. Similar pronunciation. E-R, U-R, I-R. Ya, E. Ir. Ir. Okay, see here I am giving some examples. Look at the examples, then only you come to know how to apply the sounds. Okay, turn, it, in, turn. See here we have to S. No need to stress the letter R. Turn. 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 The next one, fur. If, fur. Okay, don't stress the word. Fur. And the next one, still. Still. Fur, still, turn. That's similarity. Okay. Turn, fur, still. And the next one, ER was mixer. Later. Okay. E-X. Mixer. Look at the word X. Look at the letter X. The letter X present as X sound. Ik is X. Okay. The sound of letter X is X. X. Mixer. E-X. Mixer. The next one. Later. What word is this? Later. Very good. Turn. For. Still. Mixer. Later. So most of the times we get a confusion. That's why I am showing this one, the letter combinations. Okay. J, A, R, il. Okay. When it comes to the word turn, for, still, mixer, later. And the next one, I-G-H, I-E-Y. See, look at the sounds. I-G-H, letter I, G-H, all the three letters together present I sound. Already we discussed about this one in the earlier classes. Am I right? Good. I-G-H, I sound. I-E also present I sound. Why present some of the area based on the previous letters consonant or vowel, it changes its pronunciation, word pronunciation. Okay, look at this one. The sound of letter I is E, the sound of letter G is G, the sound of letter H is H. But when the letters, three letters meet together, it present I. It present I sound. Letter I and E together present I sound. The sound of letter I is E. The sound of letter E is A. The sound of letter E is A. Look at this one. The sound of letter I is E. Okay. The sound of letter I is E. The sound of letter E is A. But when the letters, two vowels meet together, it present I sound. It present I sound. Very good. But when we apply the letters for a single word, three letter word, we have to apply like this. Okay. I sound. For an example, bin. Okay. Gib, E in bin. Okay. For this pen, ip, A-N, pen. Okay. For a single letter, three letter word, we have to apply like this, the letter sound, phonic sound. Okay. But letters I and E meet together, it presents I sound only. It reduces our reading burden. If we can read the letters, words, sentences very easy. If you know, if you smart in phonic and digraph sound. I-E-I-Y. So here I am giving some examples. I will show the examples. Look at the board. Night. It. Night. See, observe this word. I-G-H. N-I-G-H. See, three letters coming together here. Got my point, my dear children? I-G-H. It presents I sound. It. Night. Okay, no need to go with a single phonic sound application. Okay, I-G-H. Wherever you find letters I-G-H, it presents I sound only. Okay, while reading, if you face any difficulties, apply the phonic sound. Okay, N-I-T, night. Got my point? And the next one, if I-G-H, F-I-G-H, I-G-H is coming here, it presents I sound. F-I-T, fight. Okay, read the word. N-I-T, night. F-I-T, fight. Okay, and the next one, it, I. Here, letters I and E also present I sound. See, look at the examples. It, I, time. It, I, time. Very good. And the next one, if, I, pine. If, I, pine. Night, fight, tie, pie. Are you clear now? Make the words like this, okay? Rhyming words. And the next one, try. Here the letter Y present I sound. The letter Y alone present I sound. Okay? Look at the examples. It, in, here we can't apply the yo. Try. I sound. Fry. Cry. You may ask the question that me, ma'am, you only taught us the letter, the sound of letter Y is yo. Here you are changing the S phonic sound Y, ma'am, because of this word is. These are the areas we have S. These are the areas we have to concentrate while applying the phonic sound. Okay? While reading you have to concentrate. It, ir, S here Y present. Okay? I, GH, I, E, Y, try, fry, cry, night, fight, tie, pie. I hope you all understand the letter combinations. We will discuss about the more letter combinations we have. We will discuss about in the next classes. Once recall AY, AI present A sound, R present S, term, for, still, mixer, later. The pronunciation difference. Y present I sound. So not in all the areas. We have to concentrate some of the areas. Try, fry, cry. Okay, we will meet in the next session. Thank you all. Wish you all the very best.